Hey guys, and welcome back to Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey, ready to unpack the latest in crypto and blockchain. So if you're ready, let's jump right into things. Our Discord community has soared to 3,812 members. This vibrant hub is the perfect place for tech enthusiasts at any level to exchange ideas and enhance their knowledge. Over on social media, we recently shared how Pinata is the most cost-effective way to store files on IPFS, built to scale with your needs without breaking the bank, ensuring that you never outgrow our service. This week, we are spotlighting Amber Group. Amber Group is renowned for its sophisticated trading team and deep market analysis. Their team helps clients optimize their crypto assets with innovative liquidity solutions and superior trading execution. Their comprehensive infrastructure supports clients across the globe, enabling them to concentrate on their core business, while Amber Group handles the complex dynamics of digital asset management. The Midwest Blockathon was a resounding success this past weekend. Stay tuned for a detailed blog post soon covering the innovative projects and vibrant energy at this hackathon. Such events are crucial for fostering new ideas and advancing blockchain technology. They remind us of our roots. Pinata itself was sparked at ETH Berlin in 2018, and it reinforces our commitment to supporting the community through these dynamic gatherings. Recently, Pinata rolled out with a very anticipated feature, webhooks. These webhooks empower you to react to activities within your Pinata account in real time, sending data directly to your servers. This integration not only enhances the functionality of your apps, but also broadens the possibilities of how you manage and interact with files on IPFS. In our recent blog post, we dive deep into how to set up and leverage these webhooks for your projects. Thank you guys for tuning in to another week's episode of Weekly Whimsy. Be sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below for more exciting insights from our team here at Pinata. Until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye everyone.